back to my channel. My name is Kenya, and if you are new to my channel, do consider hitting the subscribe button. Please guys, do hit the subscribe button. So let's talk about today's video. So today's video I am going to talk about all the basic outfit, how you can make your simple or boring outfit look more stylish, or how you can add a chic factor to your outfit, guys. I have picked few clothes from my wardrobe. I have kept it really basic, guys, so like a basic tee, a v-neck tee, and then I am going to take these two tank tops. This is a white basic tank top, and this is the black one. So I'm going to style these two like a boring outfit. You can change the complete look just by adding few accessories, or just like a favorite accessories, say belt or hat. So I'm not going to talk much. Also, the exciting part is there at the end of the video. There is a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first outfit I'm going to talk about is I'm picking up is these white pants with this white tank top. So this is how the outfit looks right now, and now I'm just going to add a scarf on it. So I have these two scarves, so I'm going to add scarf on it, and then I'm going to wear a bag. That's it, guys. And I'm going to wear my favorite heels, guys. The heels I have picked is the beige heels, the nude or beige heels you can go with. I am picking up these heels, and I really like how the complete outfit turned. You think is going to be my favorite denims, which I am completely crushing on it. And I'm going to pair it with this top, guys. This is how the outfit looks right now. And now I'm going to start adding accessories to it, so it changes the complete look. So the first accessory I'm adding is a belt. Belt, if you are like a little plumpy, or if you are a little heavy from your hip or like your waist, then I would highly recommend that wear high denims or high waist, and then add a belt on it. And yes, this will make you look really slim, guys. And then I'm adding a hat, guys. Hat is something I am lately crushing over, and I'm also going to wear a bag along with it. So if you can notice, I am wearing everything black. Now let's talk about the favorite color of mine, that is black, guys. For this again I have choose these black high-waisted pants, and this is the black tank top. And now let's see how this is going to work. So along with this complete black tone outfit, I'm keeping a color in mix. Is going to be a brown color. So the first thing I'm wearing is this brown belt, and then I'm wearing a brown or a little new similar color of bag with it. And again I'm topping it with my heels, guys. So this is how the complete look has turned out. You can really look forward for these looks just by adding a little of accessories to your outfit. It changes the complete game. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and for the surprise part, guys, for the giveaway, I'm going to share all the details in the description box below, so you can check that out. And also guys, do not forget to participate in the giveaway, as there is one more giveaway running on my channel. Also guys, I keep on getting DMs that when I'm going to announce the winners. I'm going to announce the winners by the end of September, because this is a September series going on for the giveaway and for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to announce all the winners by the end of September. And till then, stay tuned, keep participating, and yes, I'm going to see you super soon. Bye!
So here I come with the exciting part, the giveaway part. To enter the giveaway, you need to first subscribe to my channel, you need to follow me on Instagram, and you need to comment on my latest Instagram post and tag your 3 friends to participate in the giveaway. And these are the all products you will be getting in the giveaway. The perfume name is Warm Earth, a perfume you will be getting. Then you will be getting Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel from Dermaco, and you will be getting an acne gel from Dermaco. So hurry up and participate in the giveaway.